Okay, so backtesting every day until unprofitable day 135. Um, I don't know what I want to backtest today. Like, I'm done with 2019. And I can experiment or can do the experimenting session. But I think I actually want to, like, I just ended 2019 and I think I want to do this session. I want to backtest August and December again. December was in profit, but August and December, most of the time, not my best months. And I want to make sure like it's like they are not the best months for me. So what I want to do is probably I want to backtest August and December only, and then like multiple years. So like I think like 3 to 5 years. And then yeah, I think I want to do that today. Yo, Netmire TV, what's up, man? I'm great, man. How are you? Great. All right, so I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna start a new session, and I'm gonna name it December, or no, August, and December. And what year do I want to start with? I think I want to start with like a random year, like 2020. I think I want to start with 2020. Like, it could be any year. Like, it could be 2020 to 2019. So, like, it could be anything. But I want to backtest these days and see how it performs in the year. So, August 2020. That's what I'm going to do. And then, I don't know, actually. Because I could be backtesting these days. But maybe the days where we don't have any news, maybe I could be trading those days as well. At first, I'm just gonna start with. I'm just gonna do it just August and December. I'm gonna do this from 2020. Gonna make this a 50K. And yes. Have you seen major improvement from backtesting? Yes, 100%. Yeah, for sure. Like yeah, examples of it, like just giving confidence with taking a trade in the live market, seeing how the market performs or how it moves in different times of environments. So like specific months or years, or like there's so much to backtesting, like it's insane. Yeah, a lot, man, a lot. All right, and then go August. 1st of August, where I go the last 31 of July, so I can have the full of August. Sometimes it skips on FX replay, so that's why. And then 2020, 2021, and then January 1st. Great session. All right. Should create. There it is. Yo, Isaac, what's up, man? This is my first time watching you live. What's up, man? How are you? You watched the videos, the streams before, but not live then? Alright, so I'm really curious with this. I don't really expect any great price action, because these are, of course, the months where I almost know that it's, that my strategy doesn't perform so well in here, but we'll see. Alright, so let's see what I would be looking for in this. So what's the weekly doing? So weekly is bullish. We actually have a huge S&T. Wow. So just looking at ES, this looks one of the weekly, it's still bearish. Or no, it's bullish still on the ES, but still. Yeah, looking for longs, like we're in all-time highs. We are in August, but yeah, I think it should just be pushing in all-time highs, but we'll see if it actually does. Equalize there. So let's see. Good. You? I'm also good, man. Thank you. Watched the recorded ones. Wow, that's cool, man. Nice. Check August 2019 was fire. Finished in 8% profit. You also trading IC concepts? Like I'll go there after this year, but for this session. Like I just created this 2021, so. And then optimize for yes. Yeah, so I should just be looking for longs. There's no reason to look for lower prices. And then, yeah, just looking for my setup in here. What do we have at price? I think this looks really clean, but we'll see what actually happens. All right. And a 2 hour. Do we have anything in here? We have a 2 hour single one, but I'm not gonna mark that one out. And then, yeah, just looking for longs here. What do we have? Stage accumulation in this. And then ESS equalize, which is already taken. It's actually this candle, which is there already taken. So just looking at this candle actually. All right. So probably 9:30. Let's just first play out 9:30, or it is Monday. I don't even know if we have news here. Okay, we do 10 a.m. news. So yeah, looking for 9:30, hopefully to trade lower. Then expecting for it to trade higher into all-time highs there. We'll see what we actually do. Hopefully trades lower. Okay, nothing yet. Then waiting for more structure. What do we have on ES? Yeah, still have that swinger gap all the way lower. I'm not gonna mark it out. Let's see. Do a 10 a.m. news. So 51, waiting for 10 a.m. news now. Which is right there, and that pushed into all-time highs. So we're at all-time highs earlier than I expected. And then yes, is all-time highs as well. Yeah, it is. Okay. All right, let's see. Could you give me advice if I should buy instant funding account or two-step? Already have done two-step once past it and then blew it away. I don't know. Yeah, what's the real difference? Like, is it the price with is there a price difference? Like, I assume you're trading like Forex or CFDs, like at least not futures. But is there like a big price difference? Yeah, bro, I have a similar strat to you. Nice, but yeah, I'll definitely do it after this. Like this 2020, if I have done August and December 2020, I will go to 2019, man. Yo, bro, what do you think about Forex? Just like, what do you mean? Like, I think Forex is good, yeah. I think futures is better. That's if I can compare it. So yeah, let's see what we have here. So news just released. I think it's gonna push into all-time highs. We'll see what I actually do though. Take out equal lows in this. This looks really zoomed in, but we're at all-time highs. So okay, so this is an entry. Now what we did is we take out these equal lows. We're just pushing all-time highs. So there's no reason to look for lower prices. And then this would be the inversion. And after looking at this structure here, what we actually have. Okay, so ES break even will be on here. The size of this, and then break even on NQ. Stop at the low, taking out these equal lows, internal lows. We'll see with this first trade in December. And break even would be at a 1-to-1 probably. Right there. Play safe first order. Or I don't know what I'm risking on this actually. Let's see if I'm just risking the more normal size. Yeah, alright, so that's good. Oh. Alright, so that's the break even at this 1-to-1. And then first TP will be a fixed 1-to-2 because it's not inside of a 1-to-2. Fixed 1-to-2 and then full TP 3.5. We'll see what we do. Break even on ES would be here, the black line, or here on NQ on the black line. We'll see what we actually do. Okay, so that's an instant stop right away. And copy this. And then, oh yeah, I need to make a new notion then. Forex moves slower but offers great setup. I don't know if Forex moves slower. I wouldn't say that, no. Because I've been studying in both, but can make it a destination to stick with. Just go with like, then you have to look at like, okay, what's like easier, but like what has like not easier to trade, but what has like more benefits to it. Like with futures, you could look also at like the prop firms. Like futures has, futures is regulated. Futures has 3 main prop firms. They probably won't, what is it? With they probably won't go down. Like the prop firms won't go down. You have no real spreads on futures. On futures, everyone has the same data. You can go with regulated brokers. Yeah, you can also do that with Forex. But just like what else is there to it? Like every market, I think, like not every market is the same, but some strategies work in, yeah, also like how does your strategy perform in both? Like does it perform better in Forex or like all those things? I would say, right? Like, he offers bigger moves and stuff, but we basically all start with 4x. I trade in the C's prices and slightly different, but nothing too crazy. The main difference is that on the instant funded account, you have to meet 50% consistency score, which means your high profile can exceed 50% of your payout. 50% consistency score, which means your highest trade, you mean, can't exceed 50% of your payout. So like consistent gains, like I would also say, like, and then but no difference in price. I think prices are slightly different, but nothing too crazy. Oh yeah. Yeah, the consistency score. Like, I think always the trading is about consistency, right? Like, it's not about getting quick payouts or anything. Like, you want to build the payouts. So that also shouldn't matter, right? So then if that also wouldn't matter, then and the profit target is the same. But yeah, I need to make a new notion actually. How do I do it? I think I'm gonna make one of this. Yeah, I'm gonna duplicate this one. So this one, and then duplicate it. And then I'm gonna rename this to 2020. Or no. Backtesting August. And December. Alright. Gonna add this to my favorites. And then this should change. Oh, here. And I want to delete all of this. Alright, and then alright, reset. Yeah. So took a loss here, and this is on a Monday. Alright, and then paste in here. Nice, okay. So yeah, still looking for longs in this. Still looking at the price structure. And still allowed to want to take one more trade. I think this looks pretty good. Like, this would be the accumulation, manipulation, and literally like a power of 3. Still think it looks good for longs. And then yeah, if we close above it, and it is a valid trade, which we don't yet. No, we don't yet. Maybe we do now. Yeah, we do. And it's in the right time, so everything matches. If this is going to be a loss, then it will be, then I'll close this day. That will be that trading day. And if this is going to be a win, and also it will be this trading day. So that'll be the break even. And then on ES break even, that'll be at right here. Alright, so let's see. Let's see inversion. Taking out these equal lows. No reason to look for lower prices. Time frame is bullish, or time frame. The bias is bullish. And then wanted to be first TP as fixed TP, and then full TP 3.5. We'll see what we do. And full loss again. So yeah, maybe this already, no, it doesn't prove anything, of course. Like, these are just 2 trades taken. But price action in August, who knows? We'll see. Not expecting for this to be a good session with like a profit, but that's a good thing. Like, if August again proves to me, yeah, not good price action for my strategy, then yeah, that's just a good thing. Going to Wednesday, where we have news. Are you funded? No. Or me? I'm not. No. No profit target. Just 7 of the first 30 days must be profitable. There's no profit target? What is the profit? Remove. Alright, so what am I looking for? So bigger time frame still bullish. There's no reason to look for lower prices. And then with inefficiencies, like we went back to this 2-hour inefficiency, which is still getting respected. And then yeah, just not looking for any shorts, because ES is still inside of here. Didn't even tap this inefficiency. Still look for bullish prices. That'll be the low-hanging fruit, which is also all-time highs. And then we have 10 AM news. Yeah, let's see. So just looking at the structure, we are in imbalance. Already tapped this. If you have an SMTT lows, don't think this is gonna hold. Just while it's looking like now, probably want to take out these lows. Probably yes as well. We'll see how we actually do. And then yeah, 10 AM news again. So let's see. Yo, how's your day? Good, man. How's yours? Christmas was good? Yeah, man, it was good. How was your Christmas? Haven't seen you in a long time, man. How are you? So let's see what we actually do. So we're now still holding this on a 2 hour. But in 23 minutes, we could close below. And then the buys would be bearish if ES also does the same. If NQ closed below and ES doesn't, then it's still bullish. So we'll see what we actually do though. 9:42. Now 9:45. So now I have to wait for 10 a.m. news, which is going to be right there. Yeah. So what do we do? 2 hour wick still respecting this. ES didn't even tap into it. So it still looks really bullish to me. Looking at this market make a buy model. And stage of accumulation would be A targets. And then here on yes, which you're probably about to take right away. See what we have its structure. Hopefully can create or go a bit lower. We do an SMT at this, but don't really like the structure in here. Maybe create an SMT with it or SMT with this. Then maybe go lower into here and then create a SIBI down the way. Down there. We'll see what we actually do. Hopefully we get that. Okay, we take this here. Just playing our price. What do we actually do? Still go lower, taking out all these lows now. If this inverses, then that's an entry. 10:22 would be in the right time. We don't do it. Nothing here, waiting. Now we close above and it is an entry. So still on the swing low, we took out these equal lows. And then this would be the inversion. Right there. Oh. And then place order. And then break even will be at here. And then on ES, that's this high up here. Could even be this high up here, which it will be. And then first TP minimum of 1 and 2. That'll be fixed 1 and 2 right here. And then we'll see if we even want to get there anyway. Let's see. For again, quick stop. All right, so I'm gonna copy the link. That'll be a Wednesday. That'll be a loss here. Right there. Okay. Christmas are good. Nice, man. Long time. Yeah. How have you been, man? Can you show how you're determined on liquidity? We has no clear direction. That's the hardest part. I think I make a bias by looking at different. Still tricky. Like for now it looks really crazy, of course, but like I have rules for everything, so that's also like I was thinking that's really hard for like looking for the bias, but it's just I look at, okay, what are we respecting, what are we disrespecting, what is bigger time frame doing, then always looking at for value gaps, like what are we respecting, and then in this case bigger time frame is bullish, so there's for me no reason to look for lower prices. 2 hours still respecting. Always look at what is the weekly doing, is bullish, is bearish, and then going to lower time frames where we're respecting. 2 hours still bullish, we're at all-time highs, so you could say like, oh, we should drop now, but for me there's no reason to look for lower prices. And then in this leg here, look at singular gaps, 30-minute gap. This is still respected, getting respected, but yes, it's nowhere in here. So it's from here just looking at, okay, probably want to go to all-time highs. It's really easy in this, but like it could go endlessly because every day is different, of course. And I wouldn't say it's hard to look for where the draw liquidity is now, but there definitely are some days. But yeah, I can't give an example of that right now. But if there is going to be, then I will, of course, like tell what I think there. Yo, brother, you have a video posted 12 years ago. Wait, what? Yo, Vito, what's up, man? Yo, we didn't see you on Discord today. I was not training today. Like in the Netherlands, we celebrate Christmas like yesterday as everyone else, and also today. So this is an official holiday today, which is second day of Christmas, which we celebrate here. And I was with my how do you call it? With my family of my girlfriend. So it's gonna be what is it? Yeah, my in-laws, my parents' in-laws. So yeah, let's see what we have. I still am allowed to take another trade. Max allowed to take 2 losses today, and then all right, let's see what we actually did here. So took out this low. Yes, taking out all these lows. I think this will at least go to this, and then yes, at least go to this. So I think it's at least going to be a break-even trade, but who knows with the price action in August? Who knows? Stop at the low. Break even on NQ. I was literally right here on NQ, which is really tight. And then, yeah, 1 to 2, that's first TP. Because I always take a minimum of 1 to 2. And then, yeah, I think ES at least should go there. We'll see what I actually do, though. So that's right away break even there. Let's see if I can actually take it off there. Because it was too fast for me. All right. Okay, so that's break even trade. And yeah, ES did go there. Was there like a re-entry in this? 10:55. Still in the right time. Not a singular inversion, though. No, we didn't take out any equal lows. So it's not a re-entry. So this will just be your break-even trade. Gonna not copy this yet. I want to see what price actually did. Like either go to TP or the loss. So I can see, okay, this break-even, yeah, in this case, prevented me from getting fully stopped out. Gonna copy the link, yo. Cryonic. Thank you for subscribing, man. Thank you. And then that will be break-even on Wednesday. And then going to the PM session now. How's your funded? It's now I can literally go to here. It's now I took one. Yeah, it's in drawdown with. It's not even that bad. It's in drawdown with $400, and yeah, December is harsh on me, and I've made videos about it. But December is just crushing me. It's just crazy. Around break even, just coming back, then getting crushed, coming back, getting crushed, and then still around break even now, just below break even. Which, yeah, it's just crazy. December, yeah. And then I missed a trade on Tuesday as well, which I'm not really going to go too much into it. But, yeah, that was unfortunate. Again, just crazy. But I definitely think, like, with how far, like, how it's going now in December, like, what I've seen in data, like, December really hasn't been good for me. Like, just looking at data. Each time in December and August, of course. But, yeah, like, still, I think still it looks good. The results that I'm getting in December, like it's around break even, but that's totally fine. Like when there is actually good price action for me, then yeah, I think it should be really good. But that's just time will, yeah, that'll be just a job for time. So let's see what we did here. So nothing here, waiting for more structure, taking at least equal lows in this. He has taken out already all-time highs here, which will this be now the new all-time highs. I was minus 2.8%, but I pulled a 100% win rates. Nice, man. Now I'm 1%. Nice, Whereas, what are you trading now? What's ready? Yo, will be tomorrow. What do you mean, Vidal? All right, so let's see. Yeah, looking for more structure in this, and then NQ not looking at any of this, but just all-time highs because that's what NQ has, and then this high here also, which has been taken. And then looking for more structure in this. Hopefully we can get like manipulation lower before we go higher. We don't have any other news. No. So let's see here. Drop lower, but nothing here. Just playing out all this price action. Drop lower, nothing in here. Maybe like a, oh, actually we have 13.15.1, 13.51, and then we have an inversion in here. This swing low taking out these equal lows, even though it looks all zoomed in. This still is a looks like a good setup to me, but yeah, who knows in August. Stop at the low. That would be the inversion. Break-even will be at a 1-to-1. All right, and then that will be first TP. Let's see if we actually want to go there, and then ultimize final if we want to go there. And then yes, break-even will be up there. So let's see what we actually do. That's a break even. Yes, taking out that high, but still not no TP. So waiting, that's a break even trade. You can see like a re-entry in here maybe. Yeah, in Q or yes, taking out these equal lows. Still in the right time, so I would be in this. If it's a loss, then of course I go back and take it. If it's a win, then of course I go back and take it. If it's break even, doesn't really matter. But so just so you know, I would be in this, but I'm gonna let this trade play out for my Notion, so I can put this trade in my Notion with seeing what price did after. Gonna play this out. I think that's break even, but I don't know. But yeah, this will be a break even trade. Just looking at this, eventually we hit the stop. So this break even did prevent me from getting fully stopped. I'm gonna copy the link. And then that's 5th of August, and that'll be another break even. Oh, it doesn't paste, so probably need to do it again. Yeah, and then paste in here. My keyboard not working. Oh, so that's break even, and then I need to go back to this because I would have taken this trade. I think it's break even. We'll have to see. And remove all this. I was break even on this. Okay, we drop lower here. We inverse this. And then, yeah. So, yes, check out these equal lows. These equal lows. Looks really zoomed in. Again, like this almost looks like no one is trading this. But still, it's a valid trade. That'll be the inversion. That's the entry. Stop at the low. And then, place order. Save. And then in here, 1-1 break even on NQ. On ES break even, that will be at the high. And then first TP will be minimum of 1 and 2. That'll be first TP. I don't know if he actually hit it. And then 1 and 2 fixed if he hits these highs. And then that'll be final, which we didn't hit. But let's see if it actually, I don't know what I actually did. So did that get hit? No. So waiting, that's a break even now. Okay, so yes, hit it, but still is not a first TP because we are not at a 1 and 2. So I'm holding this, which actually got hit. So 75% off there. And then I know this got stopped at break even, so I could just let this play out. Yeah. So that's a nice scalp, I would say. That's a nice trade. I'm gonna copy link, and that'll be the first W in August. I just trade ICT, nice. I used order blocks in pretty much every trade when I see like 3 ICT concepts in one place with my bias. I'm entering. I'm up 300 in December. Nice, man, nice. Still, that's same 25k account. And then no IVGs anymore. I meant to tell you, will you be on Discord tomorrow? I don't know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna do. I'm working tomorrow. Yeah, we don't have any news, so I probably won't know. Or I can just chill on the Discord. Like I won't be trading, but I can just chill on the Discord. Will you be trading tomorrow, Fido? So that's the W on this day, and then yeah, skipping to the next day, where we have news again. Okay, I don't know why this changed. Or yeah, I was on here. Let me just go back to this. It's 2020, and then we're at August. Was this 5th of August? Wait, what? Oh, here. All right. So going to the next day where we have news. Day before NFP, so I'm not trading this. Going to NFP. All right, let's see what we have here. This Friday NFP. What am I looking for? Remove all the drawings. What is weekly doing? Weekly is just pushing in all-time highs. ES is not at all-time highs. I thought it was. So ES has all-time highs as a target. And then looking at what NQ is doing, just zooming in because this is all just really bullish. What are we having with imbalances? We have a singular 6-hour imbalance here, which is holding. This is all-time highs and also low-hanging fruits. What does ES have? Looking in this. I don't think we have a single busy. 6-hour, no we don't, so I'm marking out 2, and that would be a 2-hour. So we're still holding this 2-hour busy. This is the low hanging fruit, also like clean equalize up here I would say. So I think this looks pretty good. Alright, 15 minutes. We do have an SMT at this as well, like this and this low, in that imbalance, so that also looks good. But 930 juice swing, good trade lower, we'll see what we actually do. This would be a stage of accumulation in this market make a buy model, or the original consolidation, like however you want to see it, like on a, what is it, like a 1-minute chart. This could be the original consolidation. But yeah, 930 could trade lower. We already did. This already could be juicing, who knows? But we'll see what we actually do. We had NFP as news. We don't have any other news. That was only 8:30 news, and we'll see what we do. Okay, trading higher, lower. I think this looks not so good. Still waiting. Hopefully, can still be entering here. Still not taking this high up here. Still not going there. Take out this low now. What did ES do? Taking out these perfect equal lows and these equal lows. If we inverse this now, then that's an entry. 10:02 would still be in the right time. We drop lower still. Still think we're going to go higher. So still having that bullish bias. Let's see what we actually have here. So now we have taken equal lows. But literally break even will be at this high. But still I have to take it. If we hit this high, then that's already a break even trade for me. Which I think it at least will do. Like I think it at least a break even trade. Want to do first TP. Let's see if we even want to get here or no. This will be first TP. But I think it will be break even trade. This is literally already break even. And then, okay, break even trade. See what we actually did with price here. Either stop or TP. So I gotta put it in my Notion. So it did prevent me from getting fully stopped. I think there was a re-entry in here. Oh yeah, but maybe there isn't because ES hit that high. 3 minutes. Okay, we do have a 3-minute singular inversion here, taking out equal lows, but I would be break even on. Actually, not. This is just a loss, so I have to go back and take this loss here. But this is a break even trade. This is on a Friday, and then break even. All right, and then yeah, I have to go back because I would have taken this on 3-minute charts. All right, so again, we have a singular. All right, so we have a singular 3-minute SIBI, which got inversed right here. Break even on NQ. That's literally at this high here. Plays like this looks really clear, like right that we at least want to go there to the high here. Like, I think that looks clear for maybe everyone. I don't know. And then yeah, yes, this is all low resistance, so it should at least go to here as well. So I'll be breaking either NQ hits this, which I thought it was gonna do, like just looking at this, and then NQ or ES breaking right here, or even here, but still we didn't even hit it. So that would be the inversion, taking out these equal lows. And let's see, that's just full stop. All right, so she's just trading right away. Lower, copy link, that we lost. All right, still looking for longs in this, even with this drop lower still. We'll see what we actually do. Taking out all these equal lows, opening range low as well. If we literally inverse this, and that's an entry. See if we actually do. And we do 10:24. It is in the right time. It's not a 4-hour low. No, it isn't. So it is an entry. I think this looks really good. Could be a really good trade, but I don't know about August price action giving it to me. Breaking this here on NQ. Taking out all these equal lows. Inversing this, and then we should at least go like here, I think, as like a break even. And then on an ES, that'll be right here. First CP stage of accumulation in the smart market buy model. That'll be here. This is already taken, so not even looking at this. So right there, and this will be full TP. Let's see what we do. That's break even trade, and that's the TP. Let's see if I can actually take it off in FX replay. I would just be break even on this. That's 75% off, but this is just a bit above now. Like, I don't want to take it off there because that would be too much. See if I can actually. That's again a bit too low. Hopefully, it can trade a bit higher, which it does. Like, that's right. Like, I would have taken 75% off at this high. It's around there. Like, that's fine. And then this is full TP, or ES takes it, which is yeah, right there. So not even close. NQ already taking that high, so I'd still be in this trade. And then yeah, we'll see what you do. And that's just a break even trade. Like, this just insane to me. Like, that we didn't want to go here. Not really on NQ. Like, we're pretty far off it. But looking at ES, like, that's, I would say, like, at least should go there. But maybe later in the day. But I think this just to go all the way here, just to go all the way there. Like, I think that's crazy. But yeah, that's a nice trade. That's a nice W. And I'm going to mark this in my Notion, which is a 2.15. 75% off here as always, and then gonna put this in the Notion. All right, and then that'll be a W, and then skipping this day until another day with news, and that'll be Wednesday CPI. Yeah, so skipping all the way until Wednesday, which will be the 12th. So that's the 11th, and that'll be the 12th. 12th. That sounds so weird. Is that even how you say it? The 12th. What? All right, so let's see where we're heading towards. Weekly, what's weekly doing? So weekly still looks bullish. ES still has this as the trial on liquidity, which is all-time highs. And then what we have on lower time frame, where are we dropping into? So looking at this leg, do we have any singular imbalances? So 12-hour, one here, another one here, daily. In this entire swing low to swing high leg, we have a singular daily busy where we did close below, but probably ES is still respecting it, so there's no reason to look for lower prices. Which ES, yeah, is still respecting. Like, this looks all balanced, even though this looks all balanced. Like, there's no reason to look for lower price in this. We don't have any singular imbalance. Do we have something in this range that I can mark out? 4-hour. So nothing here. Okay, so I would say this swing low, because this in the opening, or no? Yeah, I would say this is the range here. That would be the optimal trade entry. And then we have a singular busy here, which of course got closed below. Right there. But then I draw optimal trade entry in here because the bigger time frame would still be bullish then. And then NQ, yeah, you could say like we're still respecting these gaps, but this daily, then I would mark this out on here. And then this is my daily range, which we aren't even close to this, but I could mark out equilibrium, not even close to this as well, but still, if you want to go there, then it is there. But still, bearish time frame is bullish, so still looking for longs. This would be the low-hanging fruit. This would be a stage of accumulation, original consolidation, also stage of accumulation, doesn't matter. Low-hanging fruit, stage of accumulation. Here as well, let's see where we are going. And then what do we have also in this leg? 1 hour, 2 hour. We have a singular 2 hour busy, respecting price also. And then deleting this, and then on ES, singular gap, also a 2 hour, which will be right here. All right, let's see what we actually do. So from internal, really simple, to external, I would say right here. And then we have 930. 930 maybe could trade lower into, like, I would say these are really clean. Wow, all these lows. 930 choosing maybe into these lows, and then from there go into there. We'll see what we actually do though. This is Wednesday, and we have CPI, or we had CPI. And we don't have any other high back volume, so we'll see what we do. Yo, what's your opinion on TGR? TGR doesn't pay out on his 1-1, and he's probably gonna end up in jail. It's been paying out lately. Yeah, like I don't know about prop firm 101, but I think I haven't seen too much of TGR, but I think he's pretty open and honest about his trades. I don't know if he's actually legit, but I do respect him. I really respect him. Sander? Yeah, I'm Dutch, man. I was asking about his strategy. About the strategy, I don't know what he's actually trading with strategy-wise. Or strategy-wise, I don't know. Like, I do know he trades ICT concepts, but there's so much of it. Like, I don't know what he actually trades. Yeah, so let's see. Hopefully, maybe juicing could go lower. We'll see what I actually do. Trades insanely higher. Okay. So that's the low-hanging fruit taken. Still looking at this. This market make a buy model. Another stage accumulation would be here. Here as well. Still looking for longs, but no setup in here. So waiting for more structure. Okay. Let's see what we have. Okay. 945. Waiting. Okay. Nothing in here. Just waiting. That's the stage of accumulation taken. Still think we're going to go higher. So far, it looks like a beautiful reaction. Still going higher, but no retracements for me, so no entry. 10:07 would all be in the right time now. This looks really bullish. Like, I could go to the 15-minute chart, but I will see the same. So I'm just looking at this structure. Does look like we want to go there, but hopefully we go a bit lower still. Okay, so that's taken now as well. That's that same high here on yes. Still, like, this looks like an insanely beautiful reaction here. And then drawing towards here, like now it's looking obvious, but I think this looks really good. Equilibrium, we just remove this. And then this 4 hour, like this now, this was still getting respected as like an SIBI or an inversion. But yeah, optimal trade entry, still thinking like there's no reason to look for lower prices. Now we closed above this, making it is a reclaimed busy. So again, from internal to external, like this is just a clear draw on liquidity for me. And then after that, like even higher. Oh, yes, is already taking this. So even higher on NQ. Oh, this is all-time high, so it would be here. And then for ES, that's only here, and then also all-time highs, which first, let's see if we want to go here. Yeah, still looking for longs in this. See what we actually do. Still waiting for any sort of manipulation lower before I can look for any longs. Really clean lows here now. Didn't step into that yet. Now we did, but no SIBI yet on NQ. Still waiting. Nice reaction there, but still nothing. Waiting. 11:15. Now it's outside my kill zone, so I'll literally go to the PM session and don't care what lunch does. And NQ is just at all-time highs. Like suddenly we're at all-time highs. Like I would say this is really clean price in this, like from August. Like in general, this is really clean price, I would say. But just oh, I thought this was all-time highs. That's right here. So still looking for longs, but yeah, still really clean price action, even though it's in August. But just gonna find an entry or a setup, which is also fine. And then what we have in this leg here, There's nothing really, maybe like an inversion. 2 hour. Okay, we do have a 4 hour inversion here. We still could support price higher. We don't have to go there, but if we are there, then it could be giving me more confidence that we want to push higher from there. This will be low-hanging fruit now, which we probably will take right away, so I'm not going to mark it out. And then we're drawing towards the buy side up here, which is all-time highs, and then for yes, also all-time highs. So let's see what we actually have. Just looking at the structure, do we have any really clean lows here? We have really clean lows here on yes, which I could mark out there. Like a 1350 manipulation or 1330 manipulation, and from there, somewhere around there going higher. We'll see what we actually do. Drop lower into all these lows. If we inverse maybe a 2 minutes. Yeah, if we inverse this, then I think that's a really clean setup, but we'll see what we should do. Okay, so nothing here, waiting. Where are we now in price? Does yes have like a singular gap? No, we don't, so just waiting for structure. Yeah, I get better results for the order block or breaker block, sometimes equilibrium, and I only trade kill zone 10 AM. Nice, man, yeah. Is that like you mean like you get better results with that and then compared to TGR, his strategy, or 2 minutes? This would also be an entry if he goes above 1330. Yeah, we'll see. And we do. Let's see inversion. Stop at the low. That's the inversion here. Closure above is on this candle. Break even is on literally right here. It's pretty tight right there. And our first TP. Stage accumulation minimum of 1 and 2, which would be not here. That would be all the way up there then. That's first TP. And then for ES, that'll be right here, like insane TP, but we'll see what we actually do. Or I wouldn't say that crazy, but still it's pretty high. And then yeah, break even on this black line on NQ. And then on ES, oh, that's literally right here. Or no, all the way here in that open imbalance. Let's see. That's break even, and I think it's going to be break even, but we'll see. And it's beautiful. Wow. Let me see if we can actually get it a bit lower so I don't take crazy profit more. Oh shit. Let's see if it can go a bit lower to where the original TP would be. Oh shit. Hopefully it goes back. Yeah, right there. That's fine. It's still it's 0.2 or more. Let's just that's fine. So that's 2.69 RR. 69 RR, 75% off here. Puts on the top. All right. And then on yes, yeah, still drawn liquidity is higher. Like for NQ, that would be all the way up here. If it's a side of 1 and 10, which it isn't, that would just be full TP at a 3.5. We're just gonna be, oh, we're even above it, so be full TP here. Wait, what? Yeah. Okay, so 3.5, that's right here. And then I could just drag this on here, which is nice. All right, let's see. That should be it. Like if it's a break even, I have to go back and take the full TP there. Damn. Okay, so I have to go back on this because otherwise I would lose this much RR. I don't know how much it is, but still. And then it was a 2-minute entry. Place order. Save. Oh, not here. 100%. That's the closure above. Like it's all started from this version, just beautiful. And then let's break even. See, hopefully I don't skip it too fast. I think I have to take it off here because we never came back to that 3.5, I think. Don't know for sure, but I think, yeah. Yeah, still, like it's now a bit more profit. It's now even more, which I don't like. 0.3 R or more now, which I really don't like, but still, okay, it's fine. And 3.5 is full TP. It's right there. Oh, I'll take a bit less than 3.5 to average it out. So a bit below, right there. That's fine. All right, so nice. All right, and then this is the 3.5. Full TP. Beautiful. What a run. And copy the link. And then paste it in here, which is right here. So only 1 W taken, or No loss taken on this day, which is nice. Like, I don't even remember anymore. And then, yeah, skipping until the next day where we have, again, high impact floor news or medium impact floor news. That'll be Thursday. And then only AM session trading. Okay, we'll see what we have with price action. Is this Thursday? It is. Removing all of this price action, or all of the drawings, I mean. Okay, where we're drawing towards still, I know the bigger time frame is bullish. That'll be low hanging fruit. And then reaching for all-time highs. And then for NQ, this is all-time highs. That'll be low hanging fruit. And then inversion, what we have is this 4 hour, which you don't have to tap, but it is there. And then when we have in this bullish leg, you have a singular 6 hour busy from swing low to swing high, singular 6 hour, which is holding. So I'll just remove the inversion to make it clean. And then on ES, busy here, 8 hour, singular busy. Which we didn't tap yet, but we don't have to. Low hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit. And then in this leg, do we have a singular inversion? Or singular SIBI? No, okay. So we're holding looking on 2 or at 2 time frames, or we have 2 SIBIs. And that'll be on a 4 hour, so we're holding this 4 hour SIBI, and then this 4 hour SIBI got inverse, but we're still holding this 4 hour. Which doesn't really mean anything, like could be like a speed bump, as Ice-T says. Then draw on liquidity, that's right here, that already got taken on yes, so issue this high here for yes. That's a low hanging fruit, yeah, we'll see. Choose swing, good trade lower, hopefully trades lower. It's like the fake move, you have a single 1 hour busy here. And then on yes, looks like it's trading lower. And then maybe you have like an SMT at this, that would be nice. And then from there, yeah, SMT there, and then from there go into the highs up there. We'll see, hopefully. Thursday, only AM session trading because we have medium impact folder news, no high impact folder news. And let's see what we actually want to do. We'll see. So 9:30. Okay, trades instantly into the low hanging fruit. Still the draws higher. Maybe yes, might want straight into low, but yeah, still draws higher. So like we don't have to go there. Okay, trading lower now. Nothing here. Just waiting until my setup forms, which no, I don't see anywhere near here. Okay, now it's different. Now we have taken these equal lows. If we inverse this, oh no, we have to wait for 10 AM. The 4 hour candle opening, 9:56. I always have the rule 5 minutes before the 4 hour candle opening, so that's 10 AM or 14. And I have to wait until 2 PM. So this would be my entry, but it's not the right time, so I would wait. Even if it works out, doesn't matter. This would be 10 AM now. Looking for my setup again. Let me just remove all of this. Or are we holding something in here? 2 hour? No. Okay, so still I think we're going to go higher. And then this would now be low hanging fruit. Same thing. Just waiting for more structure. Okay, dropping into equal lows here. SIBI here. Nothing here. We did inverse it now to 10.19. This one swing low took out these equal lows. So it is an entry. Even though I don't really like this. Like I don't like this trade because we have like a trend line on here. But I have to take it if my strategy tells me. If my setup forms, then I have to take it. Like combined with everything in the right time, the right bias, everything. Place order, yeah. So 1-1 will be break even. That's right there. And our first CP will be minimum of 1 and 2, and that will be not here because it's already taken. So on ES or NQ, that'll be the high up here. And then for ES, that'll be the high up here for the break even. Or yeah, and that's not beyond. That's not inside of a 1-1, so it'll be a 1-1 break even. And then I don't look at this structure here, so it'll be 1 and 2 fixed TP, and then break even on ES will be right there. And then full TP will be probably be all the way up there if you want to get there. We'll see. Let's see. Break even trade. And beautiful. That's a profit. That's a TP. But I want to go back to this now so I can actually take it off. Hopefully it does that. Hello. Hopefully it doesn't go to the TP. It does look like it want to go now. Okay, that's good. That's good. Nice. 75% off there. And then that's the 1 and 2. Could already mark this out in my Notion. Or not. So already put this in here for my Notion. So 1 and 2 are 75% off here. And this is the full TP. Still inside of a 1 and 10. So yeah, and maybe I want to change that as well. Like normally it was okay if the actual drawn liquidity is beyond the 1 in 10 RR. Now it is in the 1 in 10, but let's say this was beyond the 1 in 10 RR. Now I take full TP at a 1 of 5, which I changed from a 1 of 5 to a 1 of 3.5. But I'm not taking it off at 3.5 because drawn liquidity is still clear, higher to me inside of the range. But yeah, I changed it from a 1 of 5 to a 3.5. So maybe I should change the 1 in 10 to, I don't know. That's something I have to see from data as well. But now it's still here. So yeah, let's see what we do. And then ES didn't take it. So either NQ takes it, ES takes it, or it's a break-even trade. Or it will be outside my kill zone. We'll see what we do. So I'm not trading this, like I already took a W, but this is also the PM session, which I'm not trading because of medium impact folder news. And yeah, that's break-even trade. So yeah, literally all of this profit, like, oh, why didn't you take anything off here? Like, that's hindsight. Like, I don't know if it's gonna go here. Like, it might, like, I think when it's here, I think it's gonna go there. So why would I take it off there? Like, don't expect this at all. But 1 or 2 bar, so be it. A W trade, like, I don't mind. It's totally fine. So yeah, even with this trendline lows, like, still setup formed, and then beautiful, I think. Copy link, paste it in the Notion. I don't think it copied. Copy link. Now it did. And that is, again, just forgot. That's Thursday. See, that's a W on Thursday. All right. So far, I think, yeah, so far August is not going so bad. But I'm more curious about December than August. Like August, still bad, but December is just insanely bad. So yeah, this is a W on this day. Going to Friday, where we have high impact folder news. So I will be trading this entire day. Let's see where we're drawing towards. So this looks pretty choppy, but doesn't matter. Like, that's maybe in Asia or London session. I don't really care. Singular busy, a swing low, swing high. We have a singular busy here. And then on ES, where are we in the range? Swing high to swing low. I see busy here, 6 hour. Busy here, 8 hour. Singular busy here. I'll mark out this one. So I see, okay, CE, this is where it's the most sensitive. Otherwise, it would be like a 6 hour here, 6 hour here, or like a 4 hour here, like where it's going to react off of. Now for me, okay, sensitive price point, CE of this, 8 hour, beautiful. And then low hanging fruit. That'll be the high up here, but just mark out this high because that's like almost perfectly equal. And on NQ, what do we have here? This is also low hanging fruit, literally almost with all-time highs here, which is that high of the day, which I was breaking even on this somewhere, but doesn't matter. And then where are we drawing towards? Yeah, still think we're going to go higher. So this would be the stage of accumulation in this market make a buy model. Right there. And then this will be the low hanging fruit. Also like original consolidation. That could be anything, doesn't really matter. Low hanging fruit. And then we're drawing a lower, or are we drawing a lower into 30 minutes, 1 hour, singular 1 hour in here, which I could mark this one out, but doesn't matter. Like, I see this one and just look at this one, doesn't really matter. And then same for yes, 1 hour here, but we just stepped this bigger time frame one, so it doesn't matter. Still think we're gonna go higher. I think this looks really good with price action. I think this looks like really clean price action, but we'll see what we actually do. Hopefully juice swing could trade lower, but yeah, we'll see what we do again. Okay, trades lower, pretty choppy open, nothing here. Probably just gonna push now or dump now. 9:46. We did have news at 8:30, so okay, so no other news. So let's see, 9:53. Nothing in here. No, I don't look at this entry anymore. It's not even an entry. Don't have swing high in this, but like I always look at like internal structure, and then this is like I don't see this as like internal. Like that's the only rule in my entire thing, which I only like objective rules, but that's the only thing where it's like I don't like it as like I wouldn't say that's the only thing that's not objective. That's the only subjective rule I have, which I don't like, but yeah, I can't change it. So yeah, sometimes it's just it just can't be in trading. Like sometimes it just can't be in trading. Trading is just as subjective as it gets almost. But yeah, 10 a.m. right here, 4 hour candle opening. What do? We are still respecting this 4 hour busy, and then yes, 6 hour busy or like 8 hour, I don't know. But yeah, still think we're gonna go higher. So far this looks pretty clean, I would say. Yes, it does look more bullish, like it wants to take out this high earlier than NQ. Hopefully you can create a bit more structure before you go higher. Take now equal lows now, singular recipient, see if we want to close above, which we don't. Waiting, drop lower, nothing here, 2 minutes. If they these equal lows now, still ES looks healthy. If NQ close above, then that's entry, which we don't. If we push lower, then I'm not interested in shorts. Where are we going to? And then this is the range that I have for our busy. Swing low to swing high. You can mark out the range here, so to give me a bit more, what is it? Like knowing where we are in the range. So optimal strategy, this could be like the last chance for it to go higher, but we'll see what we actually do. Going lower. Another intersection short, still look for bullish pricing even with these equal lows. We'll see what we actually do. Take out this low. This low, if we close above, then this is literally an entry in the right time as well. No. And we do, so this is an entry. Would be crazy if this hits. Like, I don't like this trade, but I have to take it again. Same as last trade, didn't like it, but it did work out well. Alright. And then that will be the inversion. And that's the equal lows taken, even with this perfectly equal low almost. I don't know if this one is going to work out now, but we'll see. Break even on NQ is right here. And break even on yes, that's not even here, that's right there. So we'll see what we do. Place order, say first TP will be, this is all taken on the, oh no, actually not. No, it's not. So this would be first TP, which is inside if I wanted to. But probably by the time we are here on NQ, then ES have probably already taken this, so it's going to be a fixed 1 or 2. And our full TP, they'll be at probably this year if we want to get there, but we'll see what we actually do. Again, we'll see. And nothing. Oh, that's break even. Didn't I was looking at ES, like I thought that NQ didn't tap it, but that's a break even. See if I can actually, yeah, nice. Okay. And that's break even trade. I just still think it's like ES is now at this high, but I still think, or I don't know what's gonna do, but I do think it's gonna go lower. It's like a re-entry in here. Doesn't look like it. This is outside my kill zone, so just letting it play out until the stop gets hit or the TP gets hit, so I know for my notion when I paste it in there. And let's see. And didn't hit it yet. Still think we're gonna go higher though. Okay, and I have to go back in this if there's like another setup, because I would have taken another trade. Okay, so literally the entire day no real price action, so I'm just gonna paste this in my notion. This looks pretty choppy this day. And then this is a break even on the Friday. Okay, and then I got stopped at break even here, but this is outside my kill zone, so I would be back on the charts at 13.15. And that would be at right here. Okay, what were we doing at this time? Like now we closed below, but at the time we were still respecting it. Yes, also, so I'd still be looking for longs probably. 13.15, that'll be right here. Just looking for my setup if it's in there, in here. Take out these equal lows. I think this is it. And I think this would have been a loss. Okay, so right here. If they equal lows, what time is this? 13:37, yeah. Okay, so this is the entry, and then break even would be at, or ES has taken this already. Break even on ES, that'll be right here. I don't know if this is actually taken. Disclosure above, yeah, this would be the loss, so I'm going back. Have to take this. Sweet balance, already up, nice. Yeah, and like it's, I don't know, like it's August now, and I'm up, what is it? I think I'm up 2%. But yeah, so far it's looking good, but I want August to be bad. Like I want to have losing trades in it, so I can, like as I say always, which is still, it is true of course, but August and December, so far what I've seen from data, I don't perform, or my strategy doesn't perform so well in these months. So I just want to have this now to make a conclusion. Okay, I want to be backtesting now just August and December 2020 now, and then after this probably 2019, and then maybe one other year, and then maybe, yeah, then I have 3 years of data of those months, which tell me, okay, it's bad or it's good. And if it's bad, then I can literally make the decision for myself in the future, because I want to do this long term, to not trade at all in these months. And I want these months to be bad, so I can make that conclusion to not trade in these months, because yeah, I know it's not optimal. But if it's still, if my strategy says like you still in the end are profitable, like that would be in multiple months, or multiple times. Like I could just be in 1 year, I could be down for those 2 months, but in 3 years total combined, I'll be up. Like still, that's long term, and that's better than. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I'll be breaking even on ES right there, and I think this was a stop. Yeah, that's just a stop. So I'm gonna copy this. And then now I took a break-even trade and a loss, so I'm still allowed to take another trade. Oh, yeah. And I'm still looking for longs, but as you could see, like with playing out, with that structure playing out entirely, like we didn't go any higher. But we'll see if the setup forms. I have to take it, and that'll be the last trade. And now I end the session. So far it looks really choppy. Nothing here. Force Sibby, no we don't. And nothing here. Now we have a Sibby taking out these equal lows. Still bear time frame is bullish. Let's see if we inverse this. Okay, now we're creating another Sibby, which will be 2 minutes. I don't think we're gonna go all the way up there. If we do, I have to take it. 1428. Taking equal lows. This is an entry. So closure above is right here already. So that's the entry. And yeah, and then the closure above, entry. Stop at the low. At the low. That's the inversion. That's the entry. Break even is pretty tight. That's right here in the open imbalance. Place save. All right, and then yeah, there. That's the break even. First TP will be at what does the ES already have taken? Break even on the ES, that will be at this high here, which would also be the target for NQ, which is another 1 and 2. So it'll be a fixed 1 and 2. And I don't know if we actually took this, but we'll see. It is a break even trade, so that's good. Do we actually want to go to the TP? Break even trade. What do we do after? This is outside my kill zone now, so no trade after this. And then yeah, that's a break even. That did prevent me from getting fully stopped, so that is nice. Copy the link. And then paste it in Friday again as a break even. Alright, so let's see what the data is showing. Or yeah. Nexus. Hey man, genuine question. I want to backtest like you, but I use tick chart. Does this app have that? Tick chart. I don't even know what it is on TradingView, but I can help you. I'll try. I'm gonna look at the data. Like I think I know, like they have it in here. It's in here maybe. Tick chart. Whoa, how can I don't know. Does TradingView have it? Tick chart. Yo, thank you Nexus for subscribing. Tick chart. Where is that? Thought that it should be in here then, right? Introducing. Oh, but it's like oh, I still don't know. TradingView has it. Then probably I can look like after Pro Plan. This doesn't, I think. Yeah, maybe no, maybe it doesn't. I can check for you. Where would it be on NQ or on Q on FX Replay? Ticks. I don't think it has it. Is it this? No, that's just showing. Or maybe it's in here, show menu. No, I don't think it is, man. Sorry, man. No, I don't think it is. Like this is all you see. Like you don't even have those, or you have these. Don't know if it's in here, but yeah, I gotta end it here. I need to go to sleep. Yo, John Trades, what's up, man? How are you? No, it's generally where you select the time. Oh, okay. Wait, you have second charts on this, so no, it's a ticks here. I think I know it's in here, right? I think I've seen that before, yeah. Yeah, it's here. No, it doesn't have it, man. Unfortunately. No, it doesn't have it, no. Not Prepro, how are you? I'm great, man. Are you trading proper? No, I'm backtesting. I'm using historical data to see how my strategy performs in that. So yeah. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, man. So looking at this data, like nothing special. August so far, it's up. Like yeah, I don't like it, but like I want it to be in a huge drawdown so I can know, okay, drawdown. August just off my list. August, never trading that ever again in my entire life. I just wanted to have that, like that proving to me. But yeah, so far it's great. But yeah, gonna end the session here. Backtesting, but do you usually trade? Yeah, I trade on TopStep. Trade on TopStep X using trading an exchange account. That as well, yeah. So yeah, but I'm gonna end here. Sorry, John Trades. Like I have to go, man. But some people watch are crazy. John Trades, thank you. Nexus, thank you for watching. Whereas as well, Netminder, Sunder, if you're still here, Fido, and then I think 3 other people as well, which is crazy. Everyone, honestly, really appreciate that you are watching or were watching. And yeah, see you. Have a good night or a nice day. Don't know where you live. See you guys. Oh, good. All right. See you, man. See you guys.